Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel CAD Tools for beginners to advanced. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the basic terminologies of a Creo Parametric application. So to demonstrate that, let's create one model. So we can use a new button here to create a new model. So click on the new button here, and then you will see this is a dialog for the new, and select the type as part, and then keep the subtype as solid, and then here you can name the part here or model. Just I will keep it as demo, and then you can just keep this as checked, use the default template. So I don't want to use any customized template. We are going with the default template here, and then click on OK. So now it's taking time. Yeah, so now after opening it, it's turning up into the model view here, and now here I have turned the isometric view orientation here, but by default it comes up with a trimetric view. So you can just change it from the settings. To change it, go to the files and then options, and then here model display, and here you can see default default model orientation. So if you see, this is a trimetric option which is by default in the Creo Parametric, so we can switch it to isometric. So now it's already isometric view, so I will keep it as it is, and I will just cancel here. So let's create one part here. I will just use a extrude command, and then I will create some basic model here. So now you can see this is not parallel, the sketching plane is not parallel to the screen, right? So here you can see the option, that is sketch view, which will orient the sketching plane parallel to the screen. So just click it. So now you can see the sketching plane is parallel to the screen, and just use the rectangle here. I will use rectangle, center rectangle. So I will create a basic sketch here, and then so again if you want to see it in the isometric view, then you can just select Ctrl D from the keyboard, and then you can see this is turned into the isometric view again, and just click yes for now. So now we have this basic model with us. So now we can definitely see the basic terminologies. So let's start with it. So this area, which is a graphics window, so here this is nothing but a graphic window, so where we perform the operations, and where we are creating the CAD model. So this is basically a graphic window. Then after that, if you see, these are the orientations, so isometric view, and if you see, these are the axis systems for the model, and which is in the graphics window. Then after that, this is the small toolbar here, which is nothing but a Unigraphics toolbar. So this is basically we use to create zoom in or zoom out, or maybe we can just orient the sketching plane to the parallel to the screen. So like these operations we can do from the Unigraphics toolbar. Then after that, we have this upper toolbar sections here, which is nothing but a ribbon. So this is nothing but a ribbon. Then so again, this is again the main toolbar for us. We can use different operations from this, like model, analysis, annotate, render, tools, view, flexible modeling, applications. So we can use lot of commands from this ribbon toolbar. Then after that, if you see on the downward direction here, so this is nothing but a message log. So we can have the logs here. So this is nothing but a message logs. So currently it's not showing anything here, but whenever we are performing any operations, we can see some messages here. So let's say, for example, if you try to create a fillet for the edges, so if you select the round command here, then it will show you some messages here to select some edges or something like that. So we'll see that in the later sections. Similarly, if you see, this is the green status we can see here, right? So this is nothing but a status toolbar. Not a status toolbar, but this shows the status bar. Actually, this is the status bar. Okay, and then similarly, we have here the tree here, model tree here. This is nothing but a model tree. So whatever the operations we are performing on the graphics window, those are show up in this model tree section. And then there is one more toolbar, which is nothing but this is the toolbar, which is the quick access toolbar. So we can use this toolbar as well for the maybe we can say like saving the file. We can undo, redo, like this activity we can do from this toolbar. Then there is one more option here, which is nothing but command search. So here we can search with the command. So this is nothing but a command search. Command search search icon here is here. So here you can see these are the different options available in this tabs here. So for the model we have this much of options. In analysis tab there are some different options available. Similarly, these are the different tabs available, having the different options available there. So now let's say now we can see some messages here. Let's try to select the round command. So now you can see the message here, that is select an edge or chain of edges. So there are some messages like that are shown up here. So again, let's select the round and then select the edge here. Now you can see select an edge with a control key press to. So this is basically the guide, we can say, which is nothing but a guide to perform the operations. So here we can just provide the radius. Maybe let's say it is 10, and then just click on this right icon. So now you can see the round is applied. So this is nothing but this act as a guide actually. So now one more is there, which is nothing but a menu manager. So let's see that. So if you see, this is a menu manager. This is basically we use for the user defined features activity. So let's close it. And here you can see the tree. So first we have created the sections here. So if you see this one, which is nothing but a section. So we had created one section here. If you right click on it, and then if you just select this option, edit the definition of the selected object, you will see that sketcher is opening here. Again, I will just cancel it. Okay, and then so these are the different trees, this tree is getting mapped based on the operations we are performing on the model. So first we have created a sketch, then this is the extrude. On that sketch we have created the extrude, and after that we have applied the round here. So similarly, if you try one more application, let's say I will apply some chamfer here. Just apply a chamfer. I will just click on it, and then you can see the chamfer is added in the tree. Similarly, you have the common folders here, and you can see the different folders available in your system. Is a desktop, then my documents. So this is nothing but a folder structure we can see here, and this is basically a favorites. So whatever the favorites folder we can see here. So let's go to the part here. I will just close this. And now here again you can see some of the features in the. So this is basically is a filter. So if you try to filter out based on these features, geometry, datums, then the models will show up based on that. So the use of this is a simple one. So it acts as a filter. So here you can see the folder tree. So this is basically a folder tree we can see here. So in this way, this is the basic terminologies for the Creo parametric, and we can see some options here. We can see different settings available in the Creo parametric. So we are going to discuss about this in detail in the next tutorial. So till that, thank you so much. Bye bye.